Hello, friends, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. In today's session, we will understand the control statement in Java. So let's start. What are the control statements? To understand this, think of the traffic light. What do? They tell us when to go, when to stop, and keep repeating this task. That is, go and stop. Ever imagined how this works? Yes, it's your code that does the job behind the scene. This is where control statement comes into the picture. So let's learn control statement in Java. First we will see if and else. Imagine a student gives an exam out of 100 marks and the passing mark is 40 and we want to check did the student pass or fail. In Java we will write this using if else statement. Here we have defined a marks variable and we are checking in if block if the marks is greater than or equal to 40, then we'll pass the student. Otherwise, we'll fail the student. What if there is one more condition we need to write? Think if the student has marks greater than 40 or less than 50, then we will not fail the student. We will promote the student. So we can write like this. We can write one more block before the else. That is else if block. And here we are checking if the marks is greater than 40 and less than 50, then we are promoting the students. Let's run and check the result. So here we can see because the mark is 40, so student is pass here. But what if we change this mark from 40 to 30 and then run the application? So we can see here because the mark is below 40, so student is fail here. Next is switch statement. Imagine a food delivery app. If you press 1, you will get pizza. If you press 2, you will get burger. If you press 3, you will see a display message saying invalid input. This is how switch case works. Let's see this by code. Here we have choice. If you press 1, you will get pizza. If you press 2, you will get a burger. If you press any other button, you will get a message that is invalid input. Here we have used break keyword. It's a keyword in Java, so it's mandatory to use. It tells code to stop executing next line. If we don't use this break keyword here and we press 1, then we will get pizza, we will get burger, and we will also get this invalid input message. That's not our idea of coding. So let's run the application and see the result. We can see because we have pressed the button 1, so we got pizza here. Let's change this to 2 and run the application. Again we can see because we have pressed the button 2, so we got burger here. Now next is for loop. For loop is used when we need to repeat a task multiple times. Like here we can see printing a numbers from 0 to 5. Here we have initialized the variable to 0 and we are going up to 5 and we are printing this variable. Here I++ is increment operator. It keeps increasing I by 1. Next is while loop. It is similar to for loop because both are used for repeating tasks. If you know exactly how many times to repeat, you should use for loop. If you don't, then you should go for while loop. Here you can see you can continue shopping only till you have money. Next and last is do while loop. Here is the syntax of do while loop. In do while loop, we try at least once before giving up. So difference between while and do while loop is in while loop, first we are checking that if we have money, then we start shopping. But in do while loop, First we start shopping, then we are checking here that we have money or not. That means do while will always run at least one time. That's for today video. We'll catch up in next video. Thanks for watching.